Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're doing the initial setup and my first impressions about the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. So let's just start up with the initial setup, and as you guys know, it does actually pop up. It says Huawei, and if you guys want to see that, you could definitely head to the unboxing, and I probably will leave that link down below. So what you gotta do is just hit your language, you hit next. I don't have a SIM card here in the moment, so I'm gonna hit skip. So we do have the terms and conditions about Huawei. Let's see if you could hit disagree. So if you hit disagree, you will definitely have to do it anyway, so hit the agree. And you do have the license agreement, hit agree. Wi-Fi service, let's see if you just hit everything off, what happens. Connect to a network, so I'm going to do my Wi-Fi real quick and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the Wi-Fi is now hooked up. It's checking for updates to see if there's any pending updates for this device. Big shout out to Huawei for sending this out, by the way. This is a beautiful, beautiful device. I'm definitely digging the feel of it. It kind of reminds me of the Galaxy S9 Plus and the Huawei Mate SE if they had a baby. So this is definitely premium. And I also forgot to mention inside the unboxing that it does have a 1080p display. I definitely forgot to mention that, and it does have a 4000 milliamp battery. I forgot to mention that as well. So let's just see. It's just checking for updates right now. Alright guys, so we're now back in. Now we have to sign into my Google account. I'm gonna hit skip for that right now. Skip for the account setup. Agree to Google terms. Setup fresh to start. And is asking if I want to have a data transfer from a Huawei device, another Android device, iOS device. Let's just hit skip for now. Set up as a new device, yes. Fingerprint touch control. You could touch the fingerprint sensor to perform related operations. So you can answer the call, you can take a photo, you can stop alarm, you can show the notification panel, browse through photos. Fingerprint ID. So it's basically you're just setting up your fingerprint scanner. So let's just pick a pen real quick and let's set up the fingerprint scanner. Alright. Password is use the device if you forget it, okay. Okay. Alright. So to enroll the fingerprint scanner, you do have the fingerprint scanner right over here. And you just gotta press it. Enroll fingerprint edges. And that's about it, guys. Press OK. Alright, so when you're done, I guess. Alright, so I'm not done yet. Alright, there you go. Now I'm done. Alright, so you just hit OK. So on the Huawei and Honor devices, you do have the EMUI software, which I don't mind. I did have it on the Huawei Mate SE. Alright guys, so here we have the boot up screen, and as you guys can see, that's what it comes with as far as the wallpaper. So let's just check out the apps that you have installed. Let's see how much storage is in this device. Go to storage. How much is out the box? So you do have 114 gigabytes free out of 128, which is not bad. Let's head into the storage cleaner. Let's see if there's anything that they have to clean. So you're cleaning out 876 kilobytes. Pop that out. Seems pretty snappy for me so far. So we do have the setup that's for the camera. So if you guys want to change the settings, you just have to swipe left. And you can swipe up for other stuff like that. So let's just take a picture of this right here. Super quick pics, guys. I'm definitely digging that. So that's about it for the initial impressions, guys. So if you guys want to see more videos about the camera settings and all that stuff like that, I will have a lot of video comparisons. I will try to do as many as I can. You know how like the fancy way we do like B-rolls and stuff like that. I will definitely have more coverage of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro coming soon to the channel. Big shout out to Huawei and big shout out to Best Buy for messing up an opportunity to have a great device. It's on sale right now for $6.99 on Amazon.com and on Newegg.com as well. I will have a link down below if you guys are interested. Big shout out to Team 100 and big shout out to the Mate 10 Pro. Big shout out to everyone.